Ever wondered why your plants don't thrive as they should? Could it be common garden pests, or perhaps you're not hosting enough beneficial insects? To understand this, let's delve into the world of aphids, slugs, and beetles, garden's usual suspects. On the other side, we have the good guys, ladybugs, spiders, and bees. A thriving garden is not just about controlling the pests, but also about encouraging these beneficial insects. Remember, balance is key. Managing both garden pests and beneficial insects is a crucial part of gardening. So, how do you keep those pesky pests at bay without harming your friendly insects? Well, the first step is regular inspection. Keep a keen eye out for any signs of pest activity. Next, ensure proper plant spacing. Overcrowded plants can create a haven for pests, so give your green friends some room to breathe. Now let's talk about natural pest control. Using substances like diatomaceous earth can deter pests without causing harm to beneficial insects. Plus, consider introducing pest predators. These are insects that prey on harmful pests, keeping their population in check. However, caution is necessary. The indiscriminate use of pesticides can do more harm than good, hurting our beneficial bug buddies. Remember, the goal isn't to eradicate all pests, but to maintain a healthy balance. Now, how about giving a warm welcome to those beneficial insects? Encouraging them into your garden is simpler than you may think. Start by planting a variety of plants, as diversity attracts a wider range of helpful critters. Next, provide food and water sources, like a shallow dish filled with stones and water. And remember, steer clear of harmful pesticides. They may kill pests, but they'll also harm your insect allies. By nurturing these friendly insects, you're setting up your garden for success. So don't let pests take over your garden, and don't forget your little insect friends. Remember, it's all about balance, controlling pests while inviting beneficial insects. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!